Hey team, the purpose of this teaching video is to show you how to use refrigerator magnets inside of ABC Yaw. Over here on the left-hand side, you'll notice that there are capital letters, lowercase letters, numbers, shapes, and symbols. If you choose the capital letters, each of these letters will appear. When you click on these letters, it will tell you what the name of that letter is. It will also tell you the sound. Using your trackpad, you might need to use both hands. You will select that letter. You're going to keep your index finger down on that left button, and then you're going to slide it over to the refrigerator, and then you're going to let go. It's going to take some practice. If you choose to move between capital letters and lowercase letters, just select over here. If your teacher has asked you to write a sentence, then use those letters one at a time in order to build those words, followed by that sentence. If you feel like you want to start over, the start over button is this curved piece that has the arrow on the tip right here. When you press that one time, it's going to ask you if you really want to quit. If you clicked this by mistake and you don't want to start over, you can either raise your hand and ask for help, or you can choose between one of these two buttons. This one says, I want to clear the refrigerator, I want to take everything away. This one says, uh-oh, I want to go back. By clicking that button, it's going to return you right here to the refrigerator. Numbers are located over here if your teacher has asked you 0 to write a number sentence.
1.
You can use numbers and you can use symbols
Plus.
in order to build that number sentence. If your teacher has asked you to use symbols
3.
and shapes to show that you understand this, then you can come over here and then you can drag over the right number of symbols or shapes, because 10 plus 3 equals 13. That would be a lot of shapes to drag over. If you change your mind and you want any of these to disappear, you can just scoot anything over here to this left space and then let go. I recommend using both hands. When you have the trackpad, I just feel like it works better that way. So use this space over here to make your selection. Drag any one of those items over and explore these letters, sounds, and numbers. Team, thank you so much for watching and have a great day.